This video will provide a quick and basic introduction to Ovid MEDLINE. It will cover what MEDLINE is and why it should be searched, how to conduct a search, how to combine terms using Boolean operators, and how to view the results and retrieve a full-text article. MEDLINE is a bibliographic database of life sciences and biomedical information that includes peer-reviewed literature on topics such as medicine, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, and veterinary medicine. The database contains over 21 million references to articles published in over 5,600 journals. MEDLINE can be accessed freely through PubMed. However, this video will focus on the Ovid MEDLINE subscription database available through the University of Saskatchewan. In order to access MEDLINE, you must either be on the U of S campus or signed in with your NSID from home. A link to MEDLINE can be found on the Health Sciences Library's website. This is the start page for MEDLINE. Let's take a look at some of the features. At the top of the page is the search history box. This will keep track of your searches and allow you to combine terms. Advanced search is set as the default interface for U of S users. It is recommended that you conduct all of your searches using the advanced search function. This text tells you what database you are searching. Ensure it reads Ovid MEDLINE, as there are other databases that use this same interface. Here is the search field where you will enter the terms you wish to search. Below the search box are the limits. These will be discussed in a separate video. Search results will appear at the bottom of the page. Since we haven't yet conducted a search, there's nothing here. Before you begin searching, ensure that the Map Term to Subject heading box is checked off. MEDLINE can be searched for keywords, but one of the strengths of searching MEDLINE is the use of medical subject headings, or MESH. When you submit a search, MEDLINE will do its best to match what you've entered to a relevant subject heading. Let's try this out by searching for high blood pressure. By searching for high blood pressure, MEDLINE has suggested the subject heading, hypertension. If we wanted more information about a subject heading, we can click on this scope note icon. The scope note provides a definition of the subject heading, as well as related terms and used for terms. This looks like the correct heading, so let's go back to the previous page and continue with the search. This is the subheadings page. This will be discussed in more detail in a separate video. For now, let's just click on Continue. Our search is now complete. As you can see, the search history has filled in with our first search, and the results are now visible below the search box. Let's conduct a second search now. I'm interested in emotional stress as it relates to hypertension. So let's conduct a search for stress. MEDLINE has provided a much longer list of subject headings to choose from here. In some cases, you'll need to investigate scope notes to be sure you are selecting the correct term. In this instance, I'll select stress psychological as it most closely matches what I'm looking for. As you can see, the search history now includes both of my searches. Let's now combine them using Boolean operators to refine the search. To combine terms, use the checkboxes in the search history to select the terms, then the appropriate Boolean term, and or. A third search has now been added to the history. As you can see, the number of results has been dramatically reduced. Results can be viewed by scrolling down the page. Each entry will show the title, author or authors, journal, including volume and date, as well as the abstract. To view the abstract, simply click View Abstract. If you'd like to view the full text of the article, click the yellow Find It button. This will open a new window that will guide you to the article if it is available. If an article is unavailable or you run into difficulties, don't hesitate to contact the library. That is all for this video. Please see our other MEDLINE videos that cover topics in more detail, such as how to use subheadings, browsing medical subject headings, using limits, and focusing and exploding terms.